43% of people in the world are overweight. Most of you struggle losing weight because you blindly follow random diets from the internet. But the truth is, diet must be personalized according to your goals, body type, routine and food preferences क्योंकि हर बॉडी के रिस्पॉन्स अलग होते हैं. Hi, I am nutritionist Riddhi and आज के वीडियो में I am going to show you how you can create your own personalized weight loss diet plan in 5 very easy and practical steps. सबसे पहला स्टेप है to set a realistic goal to calculate your daily calorie needs. Most people fail at weight loss not because their diet is wrong, but because their goals are unrealistic. If you are thinking like I want to lose 10 kgs in 1 month, it may sound motivating, but science की reality थोड़ी different होती है. Scientifically, the safe and most sustainable rate of fat loss is 0.5 to 1 kg per week, which means approximately 2.5 to 3 kgs per month. ये range recommended है to allow your metabolism to adjust properly, prevent muscle loss and आपके hormones को भी stable रखता है. Now, let's understand how to calculate how many calories you actually need to lose weight. Every person has a different calorie requirement based on factors like age, height, weight, जेंडर, मसल मास एंड डेली एक्टिविटी लेवल. इसीलिए दूसरों का डाइट कॉपी करना काम नहीं करता. अपनी कैलोरी नीड्स कैलकुलेट करने के लिए यू मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड हाउ मच एनर्जी योर बॉडी यूजेस इन अ डे. एंड इस कॉन्सेप्ट को हम TDEE कहते हैं, विच इज टोटल डेली एनर्जी एक्सपेंडिचर. इसमें 4 कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं. फर्स्ट BMR, विच इज बेसल मेटाबॉलिक रेट. BMR is the energy your body needs to perform basic life functions जैसे कि breathing, blinking, blood circulation and even thinking. ये सारी processes body continuously करती है. Even if you lie in bed all day doing nothing, you still burn some calories. This is why BMR 60 to 70% contribute करता है for total calorie burn. Second is NEAT, meaning नॉन एक्सरसाइज एक्टिविटी थर्मोजेनेसिस. ये कंट्रीब्यूट करता है अराउंड 15 to 20% ऑफ योर टोटल कैलोरी बर्न एंड इट इंक्लूड्स ऑल अनप्लान्ड मूवमेंट्स सच एज वॉकिंग, स्टैंडिंग, क्लाइंबिंग स्टेयर्स और डूइंग डेली चोर्स. लोग अक्सर नीट का इम्पैक्ट अंडर एस्टिमेट कर देते हैं, बट स्टेइंग एक्टिव थ्रू आउट द डे कैन सिग्निफिकेंटली सपोर्ट फैट लॉस. Third is EAT, that is exercise activity thermogenesis. This includes calories burned during structured exercise like gym workouts, yoga, cardio, running or sports. ये contribute करता है around 5 to 10% of total calorie burn. So, even if 1 hour of workout burns only a small portion of your daily calories, इसीलिए सिर्फ एक्सरसाइज पुअर डाइट को कॉम्पेंसेट नहीं कर सकता. न्यूट्रिशन एंड एक्टिविटी नीड्स टू वर्क टुगेदर. फोर्थ इज TEF, दैट इज थर्मिक इफेक्ट ऑफ फूड. ये कंट्रीब्यूट करता है अराउंड 5 to 10% ऑफ TDEE. दिस रिप्रेजेंट्स द एनर्जी योर बॉडी यूजेस टू डाइजेस्ट एंड अब्सॉर्ब फूड. एवरी फूड टाइप जैसे कार्ब्स, फैट एंड प्रोटीन की अलग अलग TEF होती है. प्रोटीन फॉर एग्जाम्पल हैज द हाईएस्ट TEF, where 20 to 30% of its calories are burned during digestion. Carbohydrates burns around 5 to 10% and fats only 0 to 3%. इसी वजह से हाई प्रोटीन डाइट्स मेटाबॉलिज्म को सपोर्ट करती है और ज्यादा टाइम तक फुल फील करवाती है. नाउ दैट यू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ योर बॉडी बर्न्स कैलोरीज, वेट लॉस के लिए यू नीड टू कंज्यूम 300 to 500 कैलोरीज लेस देन योर एक्चुअल TDEE. टू कैलकुलेट योर TDEE, you can simply search TDEE calculator.net on Google and enter your details. For example, let's take a female who is 35-year-old, weighs 62 kg and want to lose 10 kgs. She is 157 centimeter tall and has a sedentary life. Her estimated TDEE comes to around 1554 kilocalorie. If we subtract 300 calories, then her calorie intake for weight loss becomes approximately 1254 calories per day. Remember, ये calories should come from nutritious balanced food and not random or junk meals. सिर्फ calories कम करना enough नहीं होता. And this brings us to the next step. Step 2, which is protein requirement and balancing your meals. Protein is the most important nutrient when your goal is fat loss. जब आप weight loss करते हो, आपको fat loss करना है, not muscle. अभी muscle mass preserve and grow करने के लिए you need sufficient protein. Protein also require the most energy to digest, which means higher calorie burn. For weight loss, you should aim for 0.8 to 1.2 kg of protein per kg of your current body weight, depending on your lifestyle. Continuing with our example of 62 kg female wanting to lose 10 kgs. At 0.8 per kg, she needs around 50 gram protein per day. At 1.2 gram per kg, she needs around 74 gram protein per day. अगर वो 74 ग्राम प्रोटीन खाए, then approximately 298 calories प्रोटीन से आती है. Now, from her total daily intake of 1252 calories, remaining calories can come from carbohydrates and fats. Carbohydrates provide 4 calories per gram, while fats provide 9 calories per gram. Healthy carbohydrate sources like roti, rice, oats, also millets like ragi, jowar, bajra or kodo. Healthy fats includes nuts, seeds, oil and ghee. But portion control is extremely important as they are high in calories. Along with protein, every meal should include fiber in the form of vegetables and fruits. Fiber से digestion improve होता है, hunger control होती है and you get essential vitamins and minerals. To make your life easy, I am sharing some high protein balanced breakfast, lunch and dinner options. This is not a diet plan, but some option you can choose from according to your routine. For a successful weight loss diet, knowing what to avoid is equally important. And that is our step 3, foods you should avoid. Firstly, avoid ultra processed and packaged foods like chips, biscuits, namkeen, instant noodles and ready to eat meals. These foods are high in calories but extremely low in nutrients. Second, stay away from sugary foods and drinks such as sweets, pastries, soft drinks and packet juices. They cause sudden sugar spikes, increase hunger and make calorie control very difficult. Third, avoid refined carbohydrates like maida based roti, bread, pizza and white pasta. ये जल्दी डाइजेस्ट हो जाते हैं, making you feel hungry sooner. Fourth, limit deep fried foods. They are calorie dense, high in unhealthy fats and very easy to overeat. Also, be careful of hidden calories from excess oil, butter, ghee, creamy gravies and sauces. Even healthy food can become high calorie if cooked in too much fat. Lastly, avoid mindless snacking while watching TV or scrolling on your phone. When you eat with awareness, you will feel full sooner and it will be easier to control your portion. Occasional cheat meals are absolutely fine, but your daily routine should focus on whole, fresh, nutrient-dense foods. Balance is the key. Now, most people fall off the track right at the start because वो full motivation से start करते हैं, but hardly few days into the journey, due to poor planning, they give up and never lose weight. इसीलिए step 4 है to plan your meals and make necessary preparation. When you don't plan meals, your convenience takes over. You will rely on ordering foods or eating outside. इसीलिए weekly meal planning is extremely important. If you start planning your meals, half your weight loss battle is won. Decide your meals in advance. Keep basic grocery always ready and always plan 1 or 2 backup meals. You don't need any perfection. अगर एक meal off plan हो गया, it should not mean ruin your entire day or week. Flexibility is important. Simply get back to your next planned meal. Before I reveal the 5th and final step, if you still feel stuck and are unable to see desired result with your weight or health, then I have left a Google form link in the description for our one-on-one programs. This is where me and my team will personally guide you on your diet, physical activity and overall lifestyle. It's a science-backed approach towards health where we first understand your routine, health challenges, eating habits before usually preparing your plans. So, if you are tired of trial and error method, simply go and fill out the Google form and we'll get in touch with you. The last step is tracking your progress beyond the scale. Fat loss is not just about the number which your scale is showing. आपके energy levels, digestion, strength, स्लीप क्वालिटी एंड कंसिस्टेंसी भी बहुत मैटर करती है. मेनी टाइम्स योर वेट विल रिमेन द सेम बट योर बॉडी कंपोजिशन चेंजेस. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ चेकिंग योर वेट डेली, look for other positive signs like how you are feeling from within, how your clothes are fitting, how strong you feel and how energetic you feel. Now since आप end तक रुके हो, here is a bonus point for you. Activity is something that will really help you boost your fat loss journey. Diet is important but daily movement and regular activity will make the process much more effective and sustainable. I am also attaching a workout plan that you can easily do at home even without weights or equipments. ये वर्कआउट बिगनर्स के लिए भी सस्टेनेबल है एंड कंसिस्टेंसी बनाए रखने में हेल्प करेगा. फॉलो इट रेगुलरली along with your diet and you will see much better results over time. I hope this video helped you. I am building a YouTube channel which explains and simplifies health without fear or confusion. So make sure to subscribe before you go.